Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to create a wallet for cryptocurrency. To create a cryptocurrency wallet, you first need to choose a type of wallet and then download and set up. So what here you need to do is, first of all, if you want to go with Coinbase Wallet, let's say, you could go and type in coinbase.com or coinbase.wallet. This is going to take you to their official page. You could go and click on the first link that appears and you could go and simply follow the on-screen prompt. So basic things you'll require is to verify your identity, then provide in your personal details and all that. Once you're done with that, you'll be able to create your wallet and start exploring the wallet app. So this way you'll be able to create a wallet for cryptocurrency. You could also use other applications which is preferred to you. You could go with other application whichever is preferred to you. In this video I just got to show you with the Coinbase. There are a lot of other wallet applications for cryptocurrency you could use, explore all that features as well. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.